Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your background settings or to change your background colors in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is just to go to the settings and we will be able to change the theme settings or the appearance of our GitHub. Basically, first you will be needing just to click on your profile picture, and after that, you will be needed to go to settings. So as you can see, you will find it in this middle section and you click on settings. So from here, you will find many sections for in the sidebar. And the one that we are interested in is the first section or the general settings section. So from here, you will find appearance. So as you can see in the appearance, you will be able to change the themes, the backgrounds, etc. of GitHub. So one of the things that you can do is to choose either to be um, a light mode or a dark mode. And I'm just going to choose a dark mode. And basically, we can just switch to a single theme. And from here, you can use any one that you would like. So for example, you can choose dark high contrast, dark dime, and dark tertanopia, and you can start choosing whatever you like. And basically you can also have sync with the theme system, and from there you will be able to choose from these themes. And as you can see, you can use dark defaults or do whatever you like. So after that, all you will have is to save, which will be automatically saved, and basically that's it. You can also just change the emoji skin tone preference and some other things, but the main thing is, so basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.